Hello everyone, today we are going to introduce how to replace the gear oil of Calon Gloria outboard motor. Firstly, tilt the outboard motor and try to make the oil drain screw at the bottom. Secondly, place a suitable container under the gearbox to facilitate oil discharge. The third step is to remove the oil drain screw below. It should be noted that if there are a small amount of metal debris on the screw, you need to clean it up. But it should be noted that if there are a large amount of metal debris, it indicates a problem with the gearbox. The fourth step is to remove the oil drain screw above. Wait until the gear oil is completely drained. After the gear oil is drained, it needs to be checked. If it is milky, has a bad smell, or contains a lot of metal debris, it means there is a problem with the gearbox. Fifthly, replace all the gaskets of the oil drain screws with new ones. Sixthly, use 80W90 gear oil. Slowly add it from the oil inlet below. Until the gear oil flows out of the oil drain screw on the top and without bubbles, indicating that the oil is full. Seventhly, before installing the drain screw back, apply an appropriate amount of gear oil. Eighthly, install the upper drain screw first. Ninthly, install the lower drain screw. 10thly, torque the upper and lower drain screws. The torque is about 9 newtons. Then wipe off the excess gear oil. The above is the whole process of changing the gear oil of Calon Gloria. Thanks for watching.